Hey guys, I'm going to cover two different styles of cleaning in this video that the way I use them, they're closely related. And those are the wooden dowel and the cleaning pellets. Now, let me cover the cleaning pellets real quick. These are for a super quick scrub, nothing, I shouldn't even say scrub, it's a quick cleaning and it's not very thorough, it's just getting some grit and grime out. And the way you use them is you load them just like a pellet into your breech. If they'll fit, you can use them in a mag, but really it's better just to single load them and then shoot them. Word of warning, if you're in a quiet style of neighborhood, these will make a crack. Even on a silenced weapon, these are called bang! They've got quite a crack to them when you shoot them. So it's something to be aware of. They're pretty inexpensive, and you know, shoot one and then shoot another and another and another until you feel comfortable that you got a good cleaning. The way I use them with the dowel is with the barrel removed from the gun. So I'll move over to my barrel and show you how all that works. With the barrel removed from the gun, generally this is what you're going to end up with, is a steel tube. Basically, you'll have your shroud off, your silencer off, and you'll just be left with the barrel, which allows you easy access to just the barrel. You'll see I've got my transfer port pointed up. Just kind of a neat practice to get into because that stops any dirt and grit and grime from going down into your transfer port. Now with the barrel out like this, I also have access to it so I can clean it after I clean the barrel. So you saw I just shoved in a cleaning pellet. Now I'm just going to run it through with this cleaning rod, this dowel. For an exceptionally dirty barrel, which this is starting to come clean, for an exceptionally dirty barrel, you can put in one of these with a cleaning solvent, like a Ballistol or something like that. Just spray it on there and run it through nice and slow. But just run that one through. If you got an exceptionally dirty barrel, just run it through and then throw it away. Once your barrel starts to get clean and it's not removing, you know, these aren't coming out black, then you can take one, you can even take two of these. You can even take two of these and put them in, push them through. I do have my O-ring out of here right now. If you block it with your finger, you can switch your, you can whip your rod around and bring it through the other end. And now basically what you're doing, I dropped them, but what you're doing is you're giving this barrel a scrub back and forth and back and forth. And you can use these pellets without taking them out, which kind of saves you a little bit of time and removes all that dirt. It just kind of gets in there, gets in those grooves. So it's an advantage to using the dowel in this style of cleaning. Another advantage to the dowel is if you get a jam in your rifle. This is one of the only cleaning systems that you can clear a jam with because it is a rod, and you'll come in your barrel and you'll clear your jam. So pros and cons. Pros to this system is it's pretty cheap. These dowels are, I don't know, maybe a couple of bucks or whatever at the hardware store, and then the pellets, I don't know, I really don't remember how much these are, maybe like 10 bucks. So you can get away with cleaning your barrel, you know, pretty quickly and pretty cheaply. You can also clear, like I said, clear a jam if you got a light jam in your barrel. Another nice thing is this wooden dowel will not damage your crown at all. So another advantage there. Downside is if you've got your barrel off your gun and you're pushing these through, you will lose them in your shroud or your silencer. If you've got your shroud, your silencer, any of that stuff on, and you're using these cleaning pellets, shoot them. Otherwise, you will push them and they'll just drop right down in there, and then you got a mess on your hands, and you're chasing these little, these little guys. Almost used a bad word. Also, it's not going to be a real thorough scrubbing. This is more of a quick style of cleaning that will just kind of get you by until you get maybe home to your actual thorough cleaning system. Well guys, that's all I've got for you on the dowel and cleaning pellet cleaning systems. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, happy shooting and thanks for watching.